is our new shed. We've been redoing our backyard a little bit, and we decided to tear down the old shed that was, it was made of metal, it was old. We've had it for about 8 years now. Came with the house when we bought it all the way back in 2013. So yeah. So you can see there's windows. This is the inside. Open wood framing. We're gonna store stuff in here. The floor is plywood. Right here is gonna be deck boards. Right here, deck boards all on here, so you can walk by. To get back here, if you ever need anything back here. Or do something with hot tub maybe. I don't think we're gonna put like lights or electrify the shed just yet. We might do that in the future, but probably not right now. Plus I don't think we need it. For now we might put one of those either battery operated or rechargeable motion sensor lights mounted either up here somewhere or above the door, because it's bright but not that bright. So yeah, hasn't been decided yet. Well, the back has actually. Show you. It's that color, same color as the garage in the house. Needs to get sided all the way around. I that's making a door for here, but these windows. And then my mom brought up a really good idea. So for lights, most of these will stay the same. I've got these Costco Fiat electric lights. These ones, they have the little LED 1 watt filament bulbs. And I originally had them, they were plugged in off of this outdoor outlet here with my controller thing, my Wi-Fi outdoor outlet. And then I had an extension cord going in the gap here. And then they were along the fence. And then they went onto the old shed. What I'm gonna do, my mom suggested this, I didn't even think of it. I was just gonna do them like up here. On the, also it's gonna get roofed. It's not shingled yet. We're gonna have a gutter at the back, probably the same color as this one. My mom suggested to string them back and forth from right here to the gutter. So I think what I'll do for that is there's these things in here, and they're pretty solid. Or we could use S-hooks. That's how we'd hook them on. And we get hooks that would screw into this wood and the soffit, or the fascia maybe. To power them, I've got this thing here. This is this wire is here because we used to have a lamppost here many years ago, but it got broken because we were changing the hot tub cover on our old hot tub. This is our newer one. Well, it's not exactly new anymore. You probably had about 3-4 years now. There's a lamppost here. You can see kind of one of the holes there, mounting holes for it. There's another one under the piece of wood. There's a lamppost here. 2 lampposts that matched when we moved in. That one over there broke a long time ago. This one, the one here broke, I think last fall maybe. So we bought this one from Costco here. So yeah, there's a plug right there, and then it goes, it's wired to here, and then it goes all the way along. You can even see it. You can see that they literally, whoever did this before, I literally just ran it. And then this is here, so whatever I put in this area, I can plug into that, and then have it be on with the lamppost. So you can see I've got this extension cord laid in here. What I'm probably gonna do is have it start at the corner, come out to about here, and then go across and come back, across, back, until it gets to about here. And then what I'll do is I'll do it kind of like I was gonna do it before. Just have it up here so there's light in this front area, and do it around the side here till this tree, and then whatever is left will go into the tree and down, and then the remainder will go on the fence, because I had them on the fence before, but I don't know how much will be left. Because this is a 48 feet set. There's another one right there, this other one here. These normally go to the tree. We were doing stuff around here. We had cheap plastic edging. We're gonna get nice concrete stuff along here, and probably along here. Come out. Maybe, I don't know. We're gonna follow that curve, this curve exactly. But yeah. So it's gonna come out and then go to here. This wasn't here before, it was all grass. There's a walkway, we have a gate there, so my stepdad can access his ladders from that side instead of this side, because normally he has to bring them in through the garage door if he wants to use them. This is new as well. It used to be old gate and chicken wire as a post, and then that fence is new. It was more of that. We may end up redoing this one at some point. I don't know. If we do decide that, we're going to have to check with the neighbors, because obviously they share the fence with us. Speaking of our neighbors, they actually built like a garage, which is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see. Definitely can't see. There's my dog again. We had a bunch of rocks here that we're going to fill in mostly with grass. The ones here, we're going to put a planter bed. Right here, there's going to be a 45-degree angle of wood, so it's going to go like that, and go on the edge here, and then another 45-degree angle. This is going to be a flower bed to put some plants in. All this is going to be grass, because it all used to be rocks, and there was that cheap edging right here. More grass here, because we never really liked the rocks anyway, because they always would get onto the lawn. And yeah, this again, these were left here because yeah, there's our scrap wood there. I'm probably gonna do with this, maybe install an outlet down here, like an outlet that would tie into this wiring, because I don't like it exposed, because as you can see, that's just regular Romex. It's not the outdoor rated stuff. They just used regular Romex and then probably added the rocks. I wonder if this was all grass to the deck at one point, or the rocks were always there. I don't know, that's how it was. I'm probably gonna mount an outlet either on the side here, and probably like facing up on the deck, and then whatever I can plug in these lights. Obviously they're not gonna be up for a while, because we have to finish the shed, because the siding stuff has to go on. These deck boards have to go down. The soffit and fascia, which is that stuff right there, still has to go on, and it has to get roofed. It has to have shingles on it. What the spinny thing up there? I don't know what that's for. Maybe something with the air conditioning, the furnace or something. So yeah, that's an update on our backyard. backyard renovation. I'll give updates as it's being finished.